Hi guys, my name is Phoebe and I'm going to be teaching you Nigerian Pidgin English. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are just seeing my video for the first time, do subscribe to this channel because you're going to be learning a lot from this channel with me. So straight to what we're going to do today. So today's discussion is going to be with two students discussing about going to school or campus. Stay tuned. And do make sure you listen attentively. And if you do not understand, make use of the backward button and make sure you understand it properly. Stay tuned. So before we get into today's lesson, I'm just going to lay a foundation for you guys. In Nigeria, we really don't have time to pronounce all the phonetics, all the sounds when we are speaking our Nigerian Pidgin English. For example, I'm going to give you an example. For example, why they doing like that now? Why they doing like that? So in this example, I said, why they doing like that? In English, that means, why are you doing it that way? Why are you doing it that way? That's what it means in English. So in Nigerian Pidgin English, why they doing like that now? If you hear the word like that is like, supposed to be like that. If I want to fully pronounce everything, I'll say, why they doing like that now? Why they doing like that now? Like that now. But in Nigeria, we really don't have that time to pronounce those words exactly the way they are pronounced. So we just say, why they doing like that now? We don't have strength to be pronouncing all the sounds and everything. So that's one thing you must know about Nigerian Pidgin English. Will you be in school today? You go enter school today? You go enter school today? Yes, I will. Yes, now. If the person is a close friend, you can say, Omo, I go enter. If it is two guys having the conversation, you can say, Baba, I too go enter. What about you? What of you? You go? I think so, but I'm not sure yet. I dey reason am, but I never know sha. Alright. Okay now, maybe they see how it go be.